Digital research, your gateway to knowledge. In today's world, the ability to access and utilize information is more important than ever. In our digital age, information is everywhere. From academic journals to online forums, the wealth of knowledge available at our fingertips is astounding. The ability to navigate this vast landscape is crucial. Knowing how to find credible sources and sift through data is a skill that can set you apart. Digital research skills are essential. They help you discern fact from fiction and enable you to build a solid foundation of knowledge. They empower us to learn, grow, and contribute to society. With these skills, you can tackle complex problems and innovate in your field. Whether you're a student, professional, or lifelong learner, these skills are indispensable. They open up new opportunities and allow you to stay ahead in a rapidly changing world. Imagine exploring the universe from your computer. With digital research, you can delve into subjects that were once out of reach. That's the power digital research puts at your fingertips. It enables you to connect with experts, access rare documents, and stay updated with the latest developments. It's a journey of discovery. Each search can lead to new insights and a deeper understanding of the world around us. Mastering digital research opens doors to new knowledge. It transforms the way we learn and interact with information. You can explore countless subjects. From history to science, art to technology, the possibilities are endless. The universe of information awaits. Dive in and discover the wealth of knowledge that lies just a click away. Take the first step and enhance your digital research skills today. Embrace the future of learning and unlock your potential. Mastering digital editing tools. Digital editing tools are essential for refining information. They help us present our findings clearly. Word processing software is a cornerstone. It allows us to write, edit, and format text. Spreadsheets help organize data. Presentation software creates engaging visuals. These tools are like telescopes for our thoughts. They help us see information in new ways. Mastering these tools enhances productivity. We can communicate our research more effectively, so embrace these tools and unlock your potential. Keyboard shortcuts, your secret weapon. Keyboard shortcuts are like secret passageways. They save time and effort. For example, Ctrl+C copies text, Ctrl+V pastes it, Ctrl+Z undoes mistakes. These shortcuts streamline our workflow. We can focus on the content, not just the mechanics. It's like having a co-pilot in the cockpit. They handle the routine tasks, freeing us to navigate the complexities of research. Learning these shortcuts is an investment. It pays off in increased efficiency. So explore these shortcuts and watch your research process become smoother. Section 4. Navigating the digital research landscape. The digital world offers a vast array of research tools, each designed to help us gather, analyze, and interpret information more efficiently. Search engines like Google are often our starting point for any research. They help us find general information quickly, providing a broad overview of the topic at hand. But for more specialized knowledge, we turn to academic databases, which offer a wealth of peer-reviewed articles and research papers. Databases are like curated libraries, meticulously organized to help us find the most relevant and credible sources. They contain scholarly articles, research data, and more, making them indispensable for in-depth research. Library catalogs, both physical and online, provide access to a vast array of books, journals, and other resources, bridging the gap between traditional and digital research. Knowing which tool to use is essential for efficient research. Each tool has its strengths and is suited for different types of information. Search engines are great for general queries, offering a quick way to gather initial information. Databases provide in-depth, specialized information that is often not available through general search engines. Library catalogs offer a wealth of resources, both physical and digital, ensuring that researchers have access to comprehensive information for their studies. Section 5. Trusted sources, databases, and library catalogs. In today's digital age, the sheer volume of information available online can be overwhelming. Not all information is created equal. With so much content at our fingertips, it's easy to encounter misinformation or unreliable sources. It's crucial to rely on credible sources. This ensures that the information we use is accurate and trustworthy. Databases like the Egyptian Knowledge Bank are excellent examples. They provide access to peer-reviewed articles, research papers, and other scholarly materials. They offer a wealth of reliable information on various topics. From science and technology to humanities and social sciences, these databases cover a broad spectrum of knowledge. Library catalogs, such as the Library of Alexandria, provide access to a vast collection of knowledge. These catalogs are meticulously curated to ensure the highest standards of information quality. These institutions have rigorous standards for information quality. They employ experts to review and verify the content before it is made available to the public. They are trusted sources for academic research. Students, researchers, and professionals rely on these resources for their work. When researching, prioritize information from reputable databases and libraries. This practice ensures that your work is based on solid, verified information. These sources undergo rigorous vetting processes. This means that the information has been thoroughly checked for accuracy and reliability. They offer a higher level of reliability than general websites. By using trusted databases and library catalogs, you can be confident in the quality of the information you are accessing. Section 6. Effective database research, a step-by-step guide. Effective database research requires a strategic approach. First, identify your key concepts. These are the main ideas you're researching. Next, choose the right database. Different databases specialize in different subjects. Use keywords effectively. Think about the terms experts would use. Refine your search using filters. This helps narrow down your results. Finally, evaluate your sources. Not all information is created equal. By following these steps, you can navigate databases with confidence. You'll find the information you need efficiently. Remember, effective research is a journey of exploration and discovery.